Good morning students. Today we are going to start new lesson number 10, visualizing solid shapes. In this lesson you are going to learn about 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Just recall about 2D shapes. The examples are triangle, rectangle, circle, etc. And 3D shapes are cubes, cylinders, cones, spheres, etc. So in this chapter we are going to learn more about them. Now this is simple match the following with a 2D shape and the name of the shape. I am giving you this as homework. Try it out yourself. Now in the above figures, 2D or 3D shapes, either they are 2D shapes or 3D shapes and they are single. But sometimes we may come across different shapes which are mixture of two shapes. For example, a tent. It is a combination of two shapes, that is, this is cylinder portion and this is the upper portion is of cone. So it is combination of cone and cylinder. Similarly, this a tin box. It is a cylindrical shell. It is hollow from inside. Third is an ice cream cone, which is combination of a hemisphere. This is hemisphere and a cone. So it is a combination of hemisphere and cone. Third, it is a photo frame. This is a rectangular path. A bowl, which is hemisphere but hollow. So we can call it as hemispherical shell. A tomb on a pillar. You can see the upper portion is a hemisphere, whereas the bottom portion is cylindrical in shape. So there are combination of two or more than two shapes which we come across in our day-to-day life. Now moving on to the next part, the match the following given on page number 154. The object is given and shape is given and you have to match. So the first figure is given, an agriculture field. You can see the adjoining figure is an agriculture field which is triangle at the starting and bottom is a square field. Now it is given on the next page, a triangular field adjoining a square field. That will be the answer. Next is the shape of a groove. You can see the figure and what could be the answer? It is a cone taken out of a cylinder. That is the answer. You can see the figure. Now next is a figure of a toy which is a hemisphere surrounded on a cone. So the next is fourth question, a circular park. You can see that it matches with the first statement, a circular path around a circular ground. The last figure is of a cross path which matches with the statement that two rectangular cross paths inside a rectangular park, which is given in the first page, the first question. Next is views of 3D shapes. You had already learnt 3D shapes and you also know that they look differently in different types of positions. So the architectures, when they want to build any building, they design it in the different type of perspectives, that is top view, front view and side view. Let us understand that with the help of an example given here. It is a picture of a hut. Here you can see this is the front portion. So if we see only the front portion, the front view will look like this way. If we see its side view, it will look this portion and this portion. This and this portion. So it will be drawn this way in side view. And in the top you can see only the two rectangular trapezium or parallelogram portion. So in the top view it will be look like this way. Similarly, a glass is shown here. Its side view will be this and its top view will be this. So this is helpful for the architectures to design any building. Now you can go through this all pictures. These are the different pictures whose top view, side view and front view is given. Once you go through all these pictures to understand it better, I am moving to exercise 10.1, question number 1. For each of the given solid, the two views are given. You have to match them with the corresponding top and front views of the objects. First one has been done for you. A bottle is given here where it is matched with this view and the top view. Second is a weight. This is a hexagon in shape and its side will be of rectangles. You can see here it is rectangles. So what will be its side view? It will look like similar to this, and from the top it will look like this. So it will be matched with this. Next is a flask. So flask will look similar to this, and from the top it will look like this way. Next is cup and saucer. So cup and saucer, it will look like this way, side view, and front view you can see, the top view it will be this. This is saucer and this is the top view of the cup, so we'll match it with this. Next is a container. You can see it is rectangular on side views, so you can match it with this rectangle or square, and then the top view will be this. Rectangular, from the top you can see this circular portion and rectangle, so this will be matched with this. Moving on to the question number 2. For each of the given solid, the three views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front and side views. So the object is given and the three type of views are given. You have to identify which is the top view, which is the front view and which is the side view. Now here you can see the front portion is given here. The cupboard front portion is this. So we'll write here the front view. This you can see it is a side view because looking from the side you can see, observe a rectangular portion. So this is your side view and this will be your top view. Second question is a matchbox. Now you can see here this is the side portion, so this will be the side view. This is the front view. You can see, observe the picture, both are same. So this is your front view. And from the top it will look a big square. So this is your top view. Now, next is a television. From front it will look like this. So this is your front portion. From side it will look like this. This is your side portion. So this is your side view. And on the top it will look like this. So this is top view. Next is a car. So what type of view this is? This is obviously the front. This is side and this is top view. Similarly, question number 3. For each given solid, identify the top view, front view and the side view. Now, if we see here, the top view, it consists of L shape and 1, 2, 3 squares. So here, which figure is matching with this? This figure is matching. So this is your top view. Second is side view, are 2 squares here. So 2 square here. So we can write here side view. In front also there are 2 squares. So we can write here front. Both are same. Front view and side view both are same. Now in the second figure, Observe the top view. How many squares? 1, 2, 3 and 4 in L shape. So in L shape this is here and 4 squares. So this is your top view. Then side view. This will be your side view. So from side you can see here 1, 2 and 3 squares from the side, the back portion of this. So you will see the 3 squares. If you will see it from the back side, you will see the 3 squares. So this is your side view. And from the front you can see these 2 squares. So this is your front view. Next question is, now the front view will be this box and this box. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 boxes. So this is matching with this picture. So this is your front view. Now these 3 boxes will be visible from the side. If we'll see the side from the back portion, this is side is given. So the back portion we will see here the 3 squares. So this is our side view. And from the top we can see this as well as this portion, that is 2 squares. So this is your top view. Similarly complete this and this as homework in textbook. Now the next question is question number 4. We have to draw the front view, side view and top view of the given objects. For this I will give you a PDF from where you can draw the figures.